Hello everyone, this is Mark Peak at Keller Williams Real Estate, your short sale specialist, and I want to give you an update on some new legislation that was passed into law, signed by Governor Brown last week. It's July 2012, and there's going to be some benefit to homeowners here, so there's some good news from it, and it's it's the California Homeowner Bill of Rights. And how does that impact you as a borrower? Now, if you're currently upside down on a mortgage and you owe more than your home is worth, here's how it's going to impact you. If you're applying for a loan modification, one of the dirty things the banks used to do is they'd sign you up on a trial loan modification, continue to take your money while advancing you down the foreclosure path because you weren't paying a full payment. And then at the end, they could simply just deny your loan modification and then put you up for a foreclosure sale. So this law that's signed into effect will prohibit what they call doing this exact thing, which is dual tracking. So you can't put somebody on a workout solution like a loan modification and run them down the path and at the same time advance the foreclosure sale until they get to the end. So now if we're working down this loan modification path, they need to give you an answer on this before they take you down the foreclosure path. So, and there's certain notifications and stipulations in there. It's required of a servicer to make sure that they're communicating properly with the borrower. Now this also applies to short sales as well. So if we have an approval on a short sale, so that's also a workout solution that mitigates a foreclosure, that also qualifies as an agreement between the bank and the borrower. So if we have an approval letter, they can't advance your foreclosure sale from wherever that is at that point. So if we're at a notice of default, we have a short sale approval, they can't file a notice of trustee sale. So this is all good news. The only thing I will say though, I mean, it doesn't take effect unfortunately until January 1st of 2013. So they're giving the banks some time to kind of go back and get prepared and geared up for implementing these, this new law that's come into effect for January. So what I see is potentially you're probably going to see responses to loan modification requests much sooner in California, I would expect, because if they can't take you down the foreclosure process, then they're going to have to respond to your loan modifications that much quicker, and they're either going to do it or they won't. Of course, I'm sure they're going to be inundated with requests. Now I see there's also some other stipulations and things that they've added to these laws, that if there's if there is some kind of ill will of the servicer, or if the borrower thinks that their rights were violated, there's some provisions in there that they can actually file suit against the servicer and the bank. So if you have any questions on this law, or if you're considering a short sale and wondering if taking a loan modification or pursuing a short sale is the best thing for you to do, I'd suggest starting off with the short sale calculator on my website. So if you enter in your property information, then you can determine how long it's going to take for you to break even on your current residence, and that'll kind of give you an idea of is it worth it to wait, or is it worth it to stay put. So, and then you can give me a call and I can schedule a time to kind of discuss your situations and see, is a short sale right for you, or should you just stay put, try for a loan mod. So give me a call. You can also hit start here at the top of the page, enter in your information, and I will follow up with you right away. Thanks again, Mark Peak with Keller Williams.